Hello everyone, welcome to this guided meditation for mindful breathing. Let us begin by getting into a comfortable seated position. You can sit on the floor with legs crossed, propping a pillow under the hips to give you some length. If you are on a chair, plant your feet firmly on the floor, legs uncrossed. Either way, take a moment to adjust your sitting bones so that they feel balanced and even on either sides. Let your spine straighten and lengthen, feeling balanced, centered, and tall. Roll your shoulders back slightly to open up your heart. Letting your palms rest comfortably on your lap, however feels good to you. Allow your chin to tuck in very slightly, making sure your spine is perfectly straight. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. For now, just become aware of your breath. What sensations do you notice? Do you feel perhaps a coolness at the tip of your nose when you breathe in, and maybe a warmth as you breathe out? What muscles are you engaging? As you become more aware of your breath, you also become more aware of your body as a whole. Noticing the points of contact between you and the surface on which you are seated. Perhaps feeling the sensation of the clothes on your skin. And as you let yourself become more present in your body with your breath, we will begin to become more intentional with our breathing. On your next inhale, at a pace that feels good to you, let your belly expand as you breathe in, while your chest remains relatively still. And when you're ready, exhale through your mouth as the stomach contracts and the chest remains relatively calm and still. At the bottom of the breath, repeat. The stomach expands as you breathe in while your chest remains still. Hold the breath momentarily at the top, and when you're ready, exhale out through your mouth, stomach contracting, all the while your chest remains relatively calm and still. Again, stomach expands as you breathe in through the nose, and the belly contracts as you breathe out through the mouth. Do this at a pace that feels good to you, but on your next exhale, take your time with it. Let every exhale be twice as long as your inhale. All there is now is this breath, breathing in through the nose as the belly expands, breathing out through the mouth, the belly contracts. Every exhale is twice as long as the inhale. If any thoughts or feelings come up for you, that's okay. Do not judge yourself if you get caught up in anything. When this happens, just return your awareness to your breath. Keeping your chest relatively calm and still lets your body know that you're safe. On every inhale, the belly expands out, and on every exhale, the belly contracts in. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. With each exhale, twice as long as each inhale, at a pace that feels good to you. If it helps, you can count the breath. You could perhaps breathe in for a count of 4 and breathe out for a count of 8. Or you can just focus on how it feels. We are all different. Choose what feels best for you. Either way, anytime a thought comes to your mind, instead of forcing it away, just retune your attention to this beautiful breath all throughout the rest of this meditation, remembering to keep your upper chest relatively neutral and calm as you breathe in and out. Now direct your attention to the spaces between your breaths. Notice the brief pause at the end of each inhalation and the gentle pause after each exhalation. Observe these moments of stillness and allow them to deepen your sense of relaxation. Be fully present with each breath and the spaces in between. On your next inhale, take an extra deep breath in, both the stomach and the ribcage fully expanding now. Feeling your entire torso expand as you breathe in, holding it at the top, and whenever you're ready, let it all go with an audible sigh. Feeling your chest and belly contract. Notice a sense of expansion as you breathe in, returning to a pace of breathing that feels good to you. Now, as you breathe at a normal pace, let your chest rise on every inhale and fall on every exhale. Take a moment to be grateful to yourself for showing up for this meditation, saying thank you out loud in your mind, and as you take this beautiful feeling with you, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, and at a gentle pace that feels good to you, open your eyes back to the world around you. Namaste.